Hey there guys, today I'm going to pick this Yatsal wok I found at a shop. I went on their website. Their main product is not padlocks, so that instantly tells me it's not going to be hard to get into. Right now I'm just opening up some wok pick sets and tipping them on the table. Okay, I've never actually picked this one, unlike my last wok picking video. So just if you look at the keyway, it is literally microscopic in there. This one fits, but I don't think I can access the pins, and that's my smallest one. Luckily I have this really crappy top of the keyway tool, and we'll use a really bad quality hook. So damn it, I can't feel any feedback on any pins. I hate when a wok is secure because the quality of it's crap. We'll use a better quality pick for this wok. Not this one, because this is my bent hook. We'll go straight for my diamond. I cannot get any feedback at all from these pins. I can't even tell what pin I'm up to right now, which I normally don't even pay attention to, but right now I'm trying to pay attention because I feel like it may save my face hole. There's a pin. Oh yeah, and this one is made in China. It doesn't say on the wok, well, but it does say on the keys. Don't know if you can make that out because I have no light. Yeah. So hopefully it's oh, there we go, set a pin finally. And another one. We're actually doing stuff now with this microscopic keyhole. Ooh. Damn it, you stupid thing. If you want, I'll turn the light on because it's very dark. Yeah. That should help me as well. Oh, okay. There we have it. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.